Huawei is getting ready to introduce something new and impressive with its upcoming Mate 80 series smartphones. According to recent leaks, these new phones will feature a brand new cooling system called Smart Triple Layer Cooling Technology. This would be a big improvement for Huawei, as it helps their phones stay powerful, reliable, and cool even during heavy use. This new cooling system is designed to work in three main ways: by strengthening internal durability, improving how the phone releases heat, and using smart technology to keep the temperature under control. These improvements should help protect the phone's internal parts, make it run smoothly, and extend its overall lifespan. The news about this system comes from a trusted tipster on Weibo named Smart Pikachu. He claims that Huawei has already started testing this advanced cooling setup in trial production. If everything goes as planned, we might see it included in the Mate 80 series when those phones launch later this year. Now, what makes this cooling technology different from what we've seen before? First, let's talk about internal durability. High-performance smartphones often face problems with heat, especially during demanding tasks like gaming, video recording, or multitasking. Excess heat can slow down a phone, damage important parts, and shorten the battery's life. Huawei's new solution aims to prevent this with ultra-thin built-in cooling fans. These tiny fans will likely be made of aluminum, a material that's lightweight, strong, and very good at conducting heat. These fans can quickly pull heat away from the most sensitive parts of the phone, keeping everything cool and running properly. The second part of the system is called active heat dissipation. Most smartphones today use passive cooling, which means they rely on materials inside the phone to naturally release heat. But this method is limited, especially during heavy use. Huawei's Mate 80 series will reportedly include active cooling, which uses small powered parts, like those tiny fans, to actively push heat out of the phone. This is a more effective way to manage temperature, especially when the phone is handling demanding apps and games. The third feature is smart temperature control. This system uses sensors inside the phone to constantly check its temperature. If it starts getting too warm, the phone can automatically adjust its performance or turn on the fans to cool itself down. The best part is that all this happens quietly in the background, without the user having to do anything. Looking back, the Mate 70 series already had an impressive cooling feature, a 6,870 square millimeters full-screen vapor chamber. That system helped evenly spread heat throughout the phone to avoid overheating. The Mate 80 series seems ready to improve on that design by combining a vapor chamber with fans and smart sensors in a triple-layer cooling system. This is especially important because the Mate series is known for offering powerful, high-end phones. These devices are often used for heavy tasks, and overheating could affect their performance. With a smarter and more advanced cooling system, Huawei can make sure these new phones stay cool and perform well, even during demanding tasks. Better cooling also means better battery health. When a phone stays cool, its battery won't wear out as quickly. This is good news for people who want to keep their phone for years without replacing the battery too soon. Another interesting rumor is that the Mate 80 series will come with a brand new Kirin 9 chip. While Huawei hasn't confirmed this yet, the new chip is expected to be faster, more efficient, and smarter. Since a powerful chip usually generates more heat, it makes sense for Huawei to pair it with a new and improved cooling system. If these leaks are true, the Mate 80 series might end up being one of the coolest phones of the year, in both style and temperature. Huawei seems serious about improving user experience, performance, and durability with this new phone. A smart, advanced cooling system like this one could help them stay ahead of other flagship smartphones. We'll likely hear more details as the official launch date gets closer. But for now, it looks like the Mate 80 series could set a new standard for how smartphones handle heat. Whether you love gaming, multitasking, or just want a phone that stays cool and lasts long, this could be a great choice. Huawei might be about to show the world what a truly powerful and cool smartphone feels like.